Hey guys, welcome back to the High-Tech Software Solutions channel. And in the last video we worked on how to create and store files to our database. And in this video we will get our files from the database and download it and make a link to download our files back. So let's start. As you can see, this is our index page for our files. Now we want to show our files in here, a list of our files, and if we click on each file we could be able to download it from the database. So let's jump to our code. First of all, we need to pull out the data from the database, and for that we need to go to our controller, our file controller. And we already have created our index method. Now at the top we want to pull out the data from the database, and for that we can say files equals to, we want from the file model and we want all of the data. Save it, and now let's pass the data to our view by saying compact. And in here we can pass our files variable. Save it. Now let's go to our index method, which is located in resources, views, and our index blade. So in here, after our link, we want to show our data in a table. So we have to create a table, and our table should have a t-head, and in t-head we have to tr and a th, and in here we should declare our IDs, and after that we want the name of the file name. That's all we need. After t-head we have to declare our t-body, and in t-body our tr, and then a td. But before proceeding, first of all we need to loop through the files, because the files are coming as an array. So we have to loop for it, and we can do that by saying at for each files that is coming from the method as file. We have to close our for each loop by saying at end for each. After that, first of all we need our IDs. We can say that by brackets, double brackets, file arrow ID, and after that another td, double brackets, and file, and we want the name. Save it. Let's go and see how it looks. If we refresh the page, okay, as you can see, these are all our files. So now we want to be able to click on each of them and to download them. For that we have to declare each of our files in a link. And we want this link to go to a URL, and for that we can say double brackets, and in here we want to go this link to a URL, and that URL should be, or instead of URL we can just say assets, because it is located in our publics folder. So we want to go to our assets. In asset we want to go to our public folder. After that our files folder. As you can see, in our publics folder there is a file folder, and after that the files are located there. So after our files folder we will concatenate it by our file name that we given it randomly, and that is the name of the field is also file. save it. Now let's go to our browser and see how it looks. As you can see, if we hover the mouse on it, at the bottom you can see that it goes to public files and the name of the file, and another also. If we click on it, it opens our file, as you can see. So guys, this is how to read or get files from the database, and hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for further tutorials and other cool stuff in Laravel. And in the next video we will be working on how to update our files, and for now, bye. See you in the next video.